Alright guys, today we're going to start with radar. Radar has some clouds, maybe a chance of rain here north of Buffalo and the radar site. Just general clouds. If we start with our stuff, we have one hazardous weather outlook. Nothing too big or too important. This one's saying by the next office over having a chance of producing some thunderstorms, producing heavy downpours that lead to localized small stream and flooding. Today's weather forecast story is it's going to be a warmer day, 86, 87 high temperatures. Um, 87, maybe even some places get up to 90 uh, in mid-state New York. You can see that. Hazy skies by the Canadian wildfires. And a chance for heavy rainfall within the next couple of days. If we look at the experimental geographical hazards, tonight, there's no risk of anything, no severe thunderstorms, no lightning, no nothing. But tomorrow we have a chance of thunderstorms down near the Pennsylvania border, excessive heat chance for portions of the Buffalo Weather Service office. Lightning will ramp up Tuesday night with limited to elevated risk for portions of Chautauqua County near Jamestown. And there's a chance of excessive heat that will be elevated with, 80s, 90s are possible. Excessive rainfall, there's a limited risk. Wednesday, looking forward, it's general thunderstorm chance. Again, another excessive rainfall with Watertown, northern portions of the Buffalo Weather Service office. Another risk for excessive heat. Thursday, similar outlooks, but Buffalo Thursday night is in the chance. Portions of Erie County are in the chance for excessive rainfall on Thursday and excessive heat on Friday, also on Thursday. Again, another lightning risk for the rest of the week from this outlook. No changes and excessive heat chance for portions of mid New York. Looking at the air quality, looking at 40s and 50s in the AQI. You can see there's some fires just near the border, just general wildfire smoke. Let's look at the models. We're still experiencing a high pressure system within that area. Rain, thunderstorms, not in our region. And we just look. Rain and thunderstorm chances around 60 to 63 hour, which is Tuesday. So I think Tuesday there could be a risk for isolated flash flooding potential and all that fun stuff. Get some rain. I wouldn't be surprised if some of these thunderstorms could go severe. Let's look at the GFS. Rain and thunderstorm potential around the same time, 60 to 63 hour. So, yeah. Then around 1:14 hour, I'm seeing also another low passing by could produce some severe weather threat. You can see that with CMC. You can see 48. There's a chance of rain. Isolated around 60. It's a little more isolated chances but there's still chances for Erie, Chautauqua, and you know Niagara counties could get some of these rain slash thunderstorm potential. And around this low, you can see here around hour 120 shows thunderstorms. Looking at icon model, get the high pressure still south of us, and the model runs in progress. Great. So looking at the weather predictions maps, day 1, high pressure just east of us. Day 2, there's a chance of rain near the border. Places in the Ohio Valley could get some heavier rain, and there's a chance for severe weather in the Dakotas, and there's a chance of rain as a low comes through. Day 3, Weather Prediction Center also shows day 3 chance of a marginal risk of for excessive rainfall. Marginal slight. This is the outlook 5% for marginal, slight for 15, moderate at least 40, and high risk is 70. Different than the Storm Prediction Center's outlooks, but we see this also on the interactive map. Heavy rainfall within our area between 7:29 and 7:30. So the next couple of days. Most models do see. Let's go out to 48 hours. Just as this low tracks, full model run shows some rains up to inch, maybe inch and a half if you're lucky. Looking at the models again, just could show there's a block here with 2+ inches of rain. Even us, we're seeing 2.5 to GFS, which could be a little absurd going on with the model run. CMC, let's go see what we have for the next couple days. As this low tracks around hour 150, we're experiencing again another 1 to 2 inches of rain. Nothing to be worried about, but nice rain, and nothing real much for the icon. Model runs in progress. If we look at the days 8 through 14, there's still a excessive heat risk, and that is still a moderate risk for excessive heat. So it's going to be hot to 8 to 14 day range. Weather prediction, climate prediction rather, says this. Climate Prediction Center also posted something with the significant heat wave expected next week. Some places are getting high, but we're still getting in the orange to red features, strengthening rays of high pressure over much of the con US. Hot temperatures and high humidity will be possible with no relief at night. This is going to be a multi-day event, so this could be very impactful for down south in the Midwest. Weather prediction maps showing 90 to 95 temps within our region for day 3. Day 4, similar, little more hotter. Some places up north could see up to 100-degree heat index, not real temperature. Heat index. It's going to cool off, maybe some 80s, 85s. Some places on the lakes around 80. But it will slowly cool off as the days go on. 80s, 70s. And yeah, still places could see 90-degree heat. Still impactful. We do see this. For today, there is some places still have a moderate risk of heat-related impacts. Monday, this grows a bit more isolated to scattered, you could say. Tuesday, there are some places with a red major near Syracuse, Utica, some places north of Rochester could see some impactful heat. Still gonna be really hot. You should not take this lightly. Still another orange risk, moderate. Some places could see major risk. Still growing when we go through. Still orange. Some places get red. Syracuse. So places like Syracuse might issue something like an excessive heat warning, or the heat headline will be issued for most of the U.S. actually. This new heat wave. Friday is a big uptick for like eastern New York and northern New York. There could be some excessive heat warnings issued or heat watches issued. It's gonna calm down. Some places only get a minor risk southern of Buffalo. And 6 to 10 day temperature outlooks still have an above average, near the 80, 70, 80, 80, 90% chance of excessive heat. So this big high res could be right here, just pushing heat. There's a little sliver of southern Texas that's about normal. No, been So we go to the next slide. We have the 6 and 10 day precipitation outlook. We're near normal or leaning above normal. So maybe a few centimeter, little more rain than average. Thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot to cover, but it was very fun to cover. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.